Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best label maker machine. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Ninbot D110 label maker machine is a compact and modern solution for all your labeling needs, whether at home, in the office, or on the move. With a blend of smart technology and user-friendly design, it stands out in a crowded market of handheld label printers. Product features: cost-efficient thermal printing. The D110 uses thermal printing technology, meaning it doesn't require ink or toner. This not only reduces long-term costs but also eliminates the mess and maintenance hassles that come with traditional printing systems. Compact and portable. With its lightweight and compact design, the D110 is easy to carry and store. It's perfect for users who need a portable labeling tool for tasks ranging from home organization to labeling products or storage containers on the go. Smart automatic label recognition. Equipped with an RFID chip, the machine can automatically identify the label size and type. This feature streamlines the setup process, saving time and reducing the risk of printing errors. Extensive customization via Ninbot app. The dedicated Ninbot app offers robust design features including a wide selection of fonts, icons, and symbols. It even allows Excel data import, making batch label creation fast and efficient, ideal for business or inventory management. Broad label compatibility. From standard rectangles to round and decorative labels, the D110 supports a variety of label shapes and sizes. This makes it a great fit for different labeling scenarios, be it kitchen jars, stationery, cables, or gift tags. Rechargeable and durable. Built with a rechargeable battery, the label maker promises reliable use over extended periods without constant battery replacements. Its sturdy design also enhances longevity, even with frequent usage. Pros: no ink or toner required, saves money and maintenance effort. Compact and travel-friendly, fits easily in bags or drawers. Fast setup, automatic label detection improves user experience. Highly customizable, great for creative and professional uses. Supports multiple label types, versatile for different needs. Rechargeable battery, eco-friendly and cost-effective over time. Cons: requires smartphone and app to operate, may not suit users who prefer standalone devices. Limited to thermal labels, cannot print on non-thermal or special materials. App learning curve: while powerful, the app may feel overwhelming to some first-time users. Final verdict: the Ninbot D110 label maker machine is an excellent tool for those seeking a modern, versatile, and budget-friendly label printing solution. While it does require pairing with a smartphone, the extensive customization options and smart features make it well worth the adjustment. Whether you're a home organizer, a small business owner, or someone who simply loves neatness, the D110 is a smart investment. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.